Our next topic is, this is also one of the application for the triangle of vectors. Earlier we discussed about the boat river, that is also one of the application for the triangle of vectors. So here, rainfall on horizontal wind means this is also application of a triangle of vectors. So here it is. In absence of the wind means there is no, we are not consider, if we don't consider the wind, then rain will fall vertically downwards with the velocity Vr. If the presence of the horizontal wind, whenever the wind is traveling like this, horizontal wind, that is with velocity Vw, then the total velocity of the raindrop can be classified into this, means told as the two velocity vectors. In that case of one velocity vector is velocity of the rain Vr, and another one is velocity of the wind Vw. Means whenever in absence of the wind, then the velocity, the rain will be fall vertically downwards with the velocity Vr without any deviation. If in case of, if we consider the horizontal wind, then the raindrop velocity can be classified into this two velocity vectors. Those are Vr and Vw, velocity of the rain and velocity of the wind. With making an angle theta, then it can be considered as the, due to the wind, the raindrop will be for making an angle with the horizontal, that is theta. So here the resultant velocity raindrop obtained from the triangle of vectors. According to the triangle of vectors, the two adjacent sides of a triangle taken in order and the resultant taken in a reverse order. The third side of the triangle, the taken in a, the result represented in magnitude and direction taken in a reverse order. Means the rain is in this direction and the wind is in this direction, taken in order, and the third side of the triangle represented the resultant that will be taken in reverse order, that is a velocity vector V, resultant velocity of a raindrop will be this one. So according to this is the triangle, ABC. From the triangle ABC, this is the tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite BC and adjacent AB. Opposite will be the BC is velocity of the wind, so velocity of the wind, and the adjacent will be AB, that is velocity of the rain. So that is the velocity of the rain. Then the magnitude of resultant velocity means if we consider that the velocity of the this one is the resultant velocity, then according to the parallelogram law of vectors, we have the equation for, that is Vr square plus Vw square plus 2 Vr Vw cos 90 degrees under root of, because of this is the right angle, the two angle, the angle between the Vr and Vw will be the 90 degrees, means it is having perpendicular to each other. So that's why here the cos 90 degrees. So from that cos 90 is equal to, we know that 0. So from there we can get a root of Vr square plus Vw square, that is the resultant velocity vector, that is the resultant magnitude of resultant velocity. Once again, in absence of, whenever the rain will fall vertically downwards without any deviation, if we consider that in the presence of the horizontal wind, that raindrop velocity can be classified into two velocity vectors. Those are velocity of the rain and velocity of the wind. So that's why the resultant velocity of raindrop can be obtained from the triangle of vectors. Means here this is the velocity of raindrop and this is the velocity of the wind, then this will be the resultant velocity. So that's why here from that equation tan theta is equal to BC by AB, that is equal to Vw by Vr, and magnitude of the resultant, the V is equal to root of Vw square plus Vr square will be the resultant magnitude of resultant velocity. So here it is. According to based on this raindrop rainfall, then this is the problem. One is the problem, important problem, that is rain falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. Means the rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second, and a woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meter per second. A woman rides bicycle with a velocity 12 meter per second in the east to west direction. So what is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? Means if the sum of the rain is falling with 35 meter per second and a woman rides the bicycle with the 12 meter per second. And what is the how much the angle should hold her umbrella? In what direction? Means if the from the east to west direction she is moving, so that's why here the from this north, south, east, west we are considering. Then from that she is moving from east to west and rain is falling vertically downwards. According to the triangle of vectors, we are considering that this is the parallel to the opposite direction, that is VB minus VB, relative velocity. According to the relative velocity, then we can get that the velocity of the rain with respect to bicycle, that is equal to velocity of the rain minus velocity of the bicycle. So that's why this is tangentially we have taken that the theta is the angle made should hold our umbrella. The theta we should find out. How do we find out? So according to that, the rainfall, the tan theta is equal to velocity of the bicycle by velocity of the rain. So here it is also we know that the velocity of the wind by velocity of the rain. Wind is moving and at the same time vertically rain is falling. So that's why here is also bicycle is moving. We are comparing the bicycle and rain. So with respect to the ground, both velocities are with respect to ground. By vehicle, here bicycle with respect to the ground, velocity with respect to ground, and velocity of the rain with respect to ground. So velocity of the bicycle is 12 meter per second and velocity of the rain is 35 meter per second. So by calculating this one, then we can get 0.343. So that's why she should hold her umbrella in this direction. She should hold her umbrella in this direction. So whenever she holds her umbrella in this direction, then she can't wait. So here in the direction of the west direction, vertically west direction, she should hold her umbrella in west direction, vertically west direction with an angle theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.43. We got the value for 0.43. In case logarithms, we can see that is angle theta is equal to 90 degrees, 19 degrees. Theta is equal to 19 degrees. Means a woman whenever she writes the